the grand finale of BT Golf, and joining us here, gentlemen, please join us too. This is the grand finale from Amchi, Mumbai. This is the city where I was born to. So thrilled to have all of you here. You've been playing, like you said, for 30 years, 26 years of BT Golf. How does it feel, and how's the game been so far?
So it's 26 years then, it's not 30. I was just roughly estimating.
Yes.
And in fact, I played from the first day. For first 10 years, I consistently played. And Mr. Arun Puri gave me a plaque saying BT champion. So
he was the chairman of PNG. So if you're talking of corporate golf, there's no better day than to play with people like him, with Mr. Chawan and others.
He used to be the managing director of DDB Mudra.
I was the chairman of
So
DDB Mudra.
advertising that.
Yeah.
So how many years have you been playing?
This is my second year.
Second year.
Yeah, golf I've been playing for about 6 years. That's all.
6 years.
Yeah.
But one thing about any sport is that you draw inspiration, and it teaches you a lot about how to go about life and business and just the work life in general also. What is that one thing or one mantra that you've taken away from golf in all of these years?
Well, for me, you are on your own. You write your own score, and that makes you honest. So golf is one game. You have to be honest by yourself. And that's the biggest learning for me in golf.
Just look at the markets and geopolitics right now, and it's challenging times. What is the one challenge that you think we can surpass? And this particular game actually helps you to kind of put your worries away for a bit. So something about golf that you would like to talk about challenging.
Well, golf gets you out of that, because your mind is for 4 hours, 4 or 5 hours, you are on golf. So that time, no geopolitics, no market, no Mr. Trump, nothing.
What about you?
For me, it's patience. I thought I was patient, but then in the corporate life, but then golf teaches you more patient. So I just say, just be patient, and the bad times will wish away. Be an optimist, because in golf you've got to be an optimist. You've got to make sure that your next shot is better than your last one. You don't live on your last shot. So as a result of which, have patience and be optimistic.
Are the markets sort of jittery right now? Of course they are jittery, but is that getting to you as well?
In golf you play 18 holes, so you forget the ups and downs. So if I had to draw an analogy, we are in the market for long term. So there's a question of ups and downs keep happening.